Good afternoon to everybody. Now, this particular thing is basically related to the project management part, which is little advanced part compared to the just the BIM technology. This particular thing starts after the BIM technology. 1 day is the concept design, 2 days the plan, 3 days how the visualization will happen. After the 3D, what will start is the 4D, 5D simulation. Now this is the very important part of that. None of the software is so perfect, not even MSP or Pranam. That's why with the very little efforts from our side, we have simulated, we have come up with certain programs or we have come up with certain ideas. We should be investing in the AI, we should be investing in machine learning, we should be investing in certain things which is futuristic, basically to upgrade yourself to something which is greater than what you are currently right. Materials, the first one is the material. Men means labors, machineries and certain things will be miscellaneous. Many people are using the MSP Primavera only for scheduling, correct me if I am wrong. It is just like a Gmail account. Ask her there, when are you going to do, who is going to do, what is the due date, record date, title, from whom, sent to whom, task due date, receive date. That's it. So a very complex kind of management can happen in one single click over here. We are not talking here something bullshit. Let me tell you very straight. It is there for healthcare. It is there for banks. Banks like State Bank of India, banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC banks. They are putting their servers on such kind of tools. Say for example, IRCTC. For example, you know how many people are booking their tickets. So what I'm trying to say is, it's a big ocean world. We call it as the database management world to work on the bigger projects. And this is how actually the different zones or different portions. This is design, then contract tendering, construction, handover, operations. In future, I want this so that my workflow should not get stopped. Understood? So these IDs are directly getting connected with the unifier. That will happen only if you are working together as one team to work on certain project. As a builder, developer, I am saying how important the project management part it is. 2-3 projects will take you behind the bars. And many, particularly the Indian developers and builders are facing this kind of problems. We are helping this company to develop certain tools. I mean, you can compare this with the SAP only. Just click here, it will come there. And who is going to do this? BIM engineer. Who is going to integrate this? Coordination engineer or a BIM manager. And who is going to handle it, everything? Project manager. I'm sure that you might have heard these names. AI mein ja rahe hai, machine learning seekh rahe hai. But in civil engineering, who is learning? Nobody is learning. Okay, so we have started working with a small model actually, but in bigger projects will take quite a bigger time. You should reach to the problems which are there in the industry, then only your value will be higher. Any questions?